A fire broke out on board Indian Navy warship INS Brahmaputra, which was undergoing maintenance at the Mumbai Naval Dockyard. The ship is currently resting on its side, and rescue teams are looking for a missing junior sailor. China has completed construction of a bridge in the territory held by it, that overlooks the Pangong Tso in Eastern Ladakh, providing quicker access to conflict zones and Indian positions around the lake. ISRO has successfully demonstrated Mach 6 scramjet air-breathing propulsion system that were mounted on either side of the Rohini 560 experimental rocket. The Ministry of Defence has issued a request for information to procure 6 airborne early warning and control systems for the Indian Air Force that should have a 360 degrees coverage and operational altitude of 40,000 feet and above. India has clocked the highest ever defence exports of $2.5 billion in the last financial year, finding a place among the top 25 arms exporter nations. Out of an order for 121 units, Vehicle Factory Jabalpur has delivered the final lot of 11 modified mine-protected vehicles to the CRPF. Garden Reach Shipbuilders has signed a MOU with Bangalore-based Merlinhawk Aerospace for the development of counter-UAV solution using electro-optical fire control system with CRN-91 gun. Indian firm Ikran Aerospace has demonstrated its 100 km range Raaya advanced surveillance UAV to a high-level delegation from Congo. Gliders India Limited is gearing up for the production of India's first GPS-equipped guided supply drop parachutes that will ensure pinpoint delivery of essential equipment to the troops on ground. At a time when the front-runner in the MRFA competition Dassault Aviation has expressed hesitance on the latest policy of technology transfer and full production of aircraft in India, experts have said that the entry of the F-15EX into the competition raises significant concerns. They also said that India needs aircraft that will be technologically relevant for the next 40 to 50 years, and not just legacy platforms with new technology. Falling for marketing tactics and acquiring older models like F-15EX and F-21 could lock India into a situation that does not align with future defense needs, as these jets might provide short-term benefits, but could hinder long-term strategic and technological advancement. If the upcoming US administration insists on securing a fighter jet deal with India for political or strategic reasons, it would be more beneficial to negotiate for a fifth-generation platform like the F-35, which shares a similar price with the F-15EX. The Indian Army has started evaluating the bids submitted by various defense firms for the substantial order of 814 mounted gun systems. The upcoming user trials will be a critical juncture for the contenders, that includes ATAG's MGS by Kalyani Strategic Systems, T552 MGS offered by Tata Advanced Systems, Dhanush-based MGS by Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, and Atmos MGS by Adani Defence. The CEO of Adani Defence has said that additional drop trials of the Rudram-II anti-radiation missile are scheduled over the next 6 months to further validate the missile's performance and reliability. He also revealed that the Rudram-II missile is expected to be ready for serial production in 2025, with its induction into the Indian Air Force by mid-2025. Bharat Electronics Limited has started development of a drone-based electronic intelligence system. The system specifications have been finalized, and the hardware for the electronic intelligence payload has also been procured. It will play a crucial role in electronic warfare by detecting, identifying, and locating radar and communication signals used by potential adversaries that are inaccessible to traditional ground-based systems. Despite the fact that the DRDO's futuristic infantry combat vehicle has yet to be officially rolled out, the DRDO chief has said that the FICV is on track for user trials later this year. Several other companies are currently developing FICV prototypes. That includes Armored Vehicles Nigam Limited, Mahindra Defence Systems, Larsen & Toubro and Tata Motors, that will participate in the competitive bidding process for the large-scale production contract for 1,750 units. Today's top 3 comments.